Today, we diving deep into the world of quartz crystals to see if these beauties really hold secret powers that you never knew existed. Ready to unlock its secrets? Let's get started and pay attention, cause we diving deep on this one for sure. Brought to you by Arisha Oasis TV. Quartz crystals have been a vital part of human history, with ancient cultures revering them for their beauty, strength, and unique properties. From ancient Egypt to Chinese emperors, quartz crystals have been used in rituals, ceremonies, and even as a form of currency. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, there's a sense that quartz crystals hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. Many people think quartz crystals are just pretty rocks, good for nothing more than decorating a shelf or making a nice paperweight. Others believe they're a new age fad with no real scientific backing. But the truth is, quartz crystals have been studied extensively in the fields of physics, chemistry, and biology, revealing some incredible properties that set them apart from other minerals. One major misconception is that quartz crystals are only good for healing emotional issues. While it's true that they're often used in energy healing practices, quartz crystals have a much broader range of uses. From manifesting abundance to amplifying intentions, quartz crystals have the potential to influence our lives in profound ways. Another misconception is that all quartz crystals are created equal. In reality, different types of quartz crystals have unique properties that make them better suited to certain tasks. For example, rose quartz is often associated with the heart chakra, while clear quartz is believed to amplify intentions. When people think of quartz crystals, they often think of hippies and new age nonsense. But the truth is, quartz crystals have been used in scientific studies to explore their potential benefits. One study, published in the Journal of Physics, found that quartz crystals can even influence the growth of plants. Rose quartz, for example, is said to emit a gentle, loving energy that can help soothe emotional wounds. Amethyst quartz, on the other hand, is believed to offer protection and clarity. And then there's citrine quartz, known for its ability to manifest abundance and positivity. Each type of quartz crystal has its own unique properties, making them suitable for different tasks and intentions. The unique properties of quartz crystals are what make them so powerful. Their molecular structure is unlike any other mineral, allowing them to store and transmit energy in unique ways. This is why quartz crystals are often used in electronic devices, from watches to computers. But it's not just their technical applications that make them special. It's their ability to influence our energy and intentions. We're going to dive a little deeper on this one, so be sure to pay close attention. I want to share a story with you that highlights the transformative power of quartz crystals. A few years ago, I met a woman who was struggling to overcome anxiety and depression. She was introduced to a healer who worked with quartz crystals, and within a few sessions, she started to notice a profound shift in her energy. The quartz crystals seemed to amplify her intentions, allowing her to let go of her fears and find a sense of inner peace. Learning about the magical properties of quartz crystals is like uncovering secrets of the universe wrapped up in a single, sparkling stone. Quartz, often called the master healer, is prized for its powerful ability to amplify energy and intention. Its molecular structure vibrates at a frequency that many believe can harmonize with and enhance the energy around it. Imagine this: a single piece of quartz, carefully placed in your environment, can act as a beacon, drawing in positive energy and clearing away negativity. The power quartz holds isn't just legend. For centuries, ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, utilized quartz for healing, protection, and spiritual guidance. One of the most fascinating things about quartz crystals is their versatility. Whether it's clear quartz, rose quartz, smoky quartz, or amethyst. Each variety brings its own unique attributes to the table. Clear quartz, for instance, is considered a blank slate that you can program with specific intentions, making it ideal for setting personal goals and manifesting desires. Rose quartz, on the other hand, is beloved for its association with love and emotional healing, often used to open the heart to compassion and self-acceptance. This diversity of properties allows each type of quartz to become a personal ally, tailored to whatever support you may need on your journey. Quartz crystals are more than just decorative stones. They're believed to interact with our physical, mental, and emotional energy. Meditating with quartz can foster clarity and insight, helping you tap into your inner wisdom and gain a greater sense of purpose. When used in healing, practitioners say quartz can align the body's chakras, restoring balance and harmony. It's said to enhance concentration, clear mental fog, and even improve memory, making it a powerful companion for focus and productivity. When carried daily or worn as jewelry, quartz is believed to form a protective shield around the wearer, warding off negative influences and grounding their energy. But perhaps the most magical aspect of quartz crystals is their ability to amplify the intentions we set with them. Place a clear quartz crystal near your workspace with the intention to boost creativity, or hold one during meditation to intensify your focus and inner peace. Many crystal enthusiasts believe quartz crystals can serve as a bridge between the material and spiritual worlds, making it easier to tune into intuition and receive divine guidance. With its boundless energy and adaptability, quartz is like a hidden powerhouse, waiting to amplify your dreams, cleanse your surroundings, and infuse your life with radiant, positive energy. Quartz crystals go beyond just energy and healing. They are scientifically fascinating and spiritually profound. Did you know that quartz crystals actually vibrate at a precise frequency, so reliable that they're used in modern technology to keep time in watches and stabilize radio frequencies? This same steady vibration is thought to be what makes quartz so potent in aligning energies, enhancing focus, and amplifying intentions on a human level. Some even believe that quartz acts as a transmitter, linking us to universal wisdom, helping us tune into a higher consciousness and a deeper sense of self. So, when you hold a quartz crystal, you're not just holding a stone. You're holding a finely tuned piece of nature's technology that connects the realms of science and spirit, carrying secrets older than time itself. This story isn't an isolated incident. There are countless accounts of people using quartz crystals to transform their lives, from overcoming phobias to manifesting abundance. Quartz crystals have the power to influence our energy, our intentions, and our very reality. In conclusion, quartz crystals are so much more than just pretty rocks. They hold secrets, waiting to be uncovered, and have the potential to transform our lives in profound ways. Whether you're looking to amplify your intentions, manifest abundance, or simply find inner peace, quartz crystals are definitely worth exploring. If you enjoyed this video and want more like it, don't forget to like, share, and leave the word energy in the comments if you want more prized gems like this one. Thanks for watching, and we would also love to hear about your experiences with quartz crystals in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about crystal healing, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.